Okay guys, today we're gonna work on this beast 2015 Ram 3500. This thing been a couple times in a wreck. It's been vandalized, and front axle, it's actually bent from the first accident when I got it from Copart auction, and I never knew the front axle was bent until I find out in 2017, somewhere in July, my 4x4 is out, and I start disassembling and see what's going on, and I find out that the front axle is bent. So we're gonna be replacing that with this front axle. Also gonna be replacing clutch on this one, and we'll fix the body damage. And it's been vandalized from one guy. Cops find him. This was a year ago. The front end accident that I was involved with, somebody cut me off, and there's some other things that I did since I'm working construction. Those things gonna be fixed. We're gonna fix the tailgate, or might be replaced, whichever is gonna be easier. I don't care how much this costs. I believe it's 500 bucks, but we're definitely gonna be fixing this. That's my fault. I was pulling trailer with the load closer to the truck, too close to the truck, and I was making tight turn, so the load went under the taillight. And we're gonna be replacing clutch with south bend clutch. It's expensive. I paid 1,600 bucks for it. This truck needs some attention. The girl needs to be replaced. It's a 6-speed. Some interior needs to be done. I have a tuner on it. Let's see. Under the hood, currently have 79,000 miles, almost 80,000 miles. When I got it, it was 14,000 miles. I will post the pictures how it was damaged, and you can see, guys, the guy cut my wires. I unplugged this. I had a tuner already when he did that, so that was a temporary fix for me to get in the shop, in my body shop. He letting me use his shop, and I helping him sometimes do fixing his vehicles when I have a time and feel like it. And there's my bumper that I already purchased half a year ago, I believe, or almost a year ago. It's been sitting here since. So that's the plan. I hope I will be done in about a week. If everything goes smooth, it should be done in a week. If not, then probably 2. I like the color. I will paint the flares, and probably gonna do matte flops myself. Alright, let's get this thing in the shop. Okay, the lid is complete. Everything looks good. We're waiting on the intake to show it up. But right now, let's pull the front axle out and let's take the tranny out. Transmission is out. Stock clutch looks fine. So let's take this clutch out. We're gonna replace crankshaft seal even though it's not leaking, but just in case, because this truck have 80,000 miles, they attempt to start leaking after 100,000 miles. So I don't want to pull this tranny again. So this is gonna be done while the transmission is out. Transmission is looking fine. I don't see any damage to the tranny. So let's clean out and change the oil pan. Sorry guys, I couldn't show you how to put my front axle and transmission back. My storage ran out, so I will do that right now. This is the new axle that I put in. Everything working good. My 4x4 works. Transmission is in. New oil pan, new clutch, new crankshaft seal. I have a Flow Pro all the way, almost all the way. So in the next episode we're gonna work on the body. We're gonna replace the front bumper, grille, Dent repair will fix the door, and I will do the body work on the back of the truck, and I'm thinking to fix the tailgate, but we'll see. That's gonna be in next episode. Stay tuned. If you like the video, please subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you in next video. Have a good day.